Hi, in this video I want to talk about how questions are phrased in Latin. So I'm basing this off of the worksheet you have in your folder and on P-Learning. So if you would like to have the worksheet nearby or opened up, do this because I'm basing it off of that. So in Latin, questions are phrased in many ways. So first of all, questions can be phrased using question words, why or what or where, so the ones we already know and we have used and translated. Questions can also be phrased that they're expecting an answer. So they're phrased the way that they're expecting a yes answer, they're phrased so they're expecting a no answer, or they're phrased that they're expecting either a yes or a no answer. So how do we know which one is expected? So the easiest one are the question words or interrogative words. So like I said, we have used them. It's quis, who, quid, what, occur, why. So if you see one of those, you know exactly you have to phrase it off as a question. For example, quis est, who are you? Okay. The next one is questions that are phrased that they're expecting a yes answer. So questions that are expecting a yes answer are starting with the word nonne. So in our example, it's nonne eis mercator. You are merchant, aren't you? And you would say, the answer would be, yes, I am a merchant. So if you see nonne in front of your question, this one is expecting a yes answer. If the answer is supposed to be no, so if you're expecting a no answer, you will see num in front of your sentence. The sentence is starting off with num, like num eis mercator. You aren't a merchant, are you? And the answer would be, no, I'm not a merchant. Or surely you aren't a merchant. And the answer would be, no, I'm not. So if you see the word num in front of your question, the answer is a no answer. So you have to phrase the question that way, that the answer is no. And then lastly, we have questions that are phrased that the answer can either be a yes or a no answer. So questions that can be answering both usually have the ending ne on a verb, and the verb is pushed in front of the sentence. So two things have to happen. You have to look, is the word in the beginning of your sentence a verb, and does it have an a? Then your answer can be yes or no. So in our example in the worksheet, it would be esne mercator. Are you a merchant? And the answer could be yes, I am a merchant, or no, I am not a merchant. Lastly, I want to talk about the first example on the worksheet, and it is viditne Romanos Grecum. So, question mark. Good. So, now, first thing you see, your verb is in the beginning of the sentence. It has an a. So the answer is expected is a yes or no answer. Okay, so you have to phrase your question that the answer can either be a yes or a no. So now please look at the endings. When you phrase your question, Romanos is the subject, Grecum is the direct object. Okay, so viditne is to see. So your question is, did the Romans see the Greek? So with this question, the answer can either be yes, the Romans saw the Greek, or no, the Romans did not see the Greek. I hope that helps. If not, please reach out. Bye.